On behalf of the students at the University of Indianapolis,
we'd like to thank you for your support. Because of your philanthropy,
we continue to grow in new experiences.
We become more agile with lessons learned
in and out of the classroom.
And most importantly, we thrive.
Because of you, I can become part of the bigger community.
Because of you, I can turn music from a hobby into a profession.
Because of you, I was able to get an internship that led to a job after I graduate.
Because of you, I can pursue a career in public service.
Because of you, my education is possible.
Because of you, I can pursue my dream to go to medical school.
Scholarships from supporters like you have really made me able to make more meaningful connections here at UIndy, specifically in the Department of Art and Design. That's led me to be in the Etchings publication. I wouldn't be at UIndy without your support. Thank you.
Receiving support from donors has allowed me to use facilities like this in the nursing sim lab. And this has really just allowed me to have meaningful connections with all my nursing professors. And this has made me feel supported and loved throughout my 4 years at the university.
It's been a year of opportunities and challenges. And because of the support of our faculty and our staff, and the creativity of our students and your support, we are finally merging into a time when we'll be able to experience campus in more familiar ways. Our UIndy students are bright, versatile, and ready to take on new challenges. Our path forward would not be possible without generous supporters like you. You've helped to create students who are prepared to take on the most pressing problems of our time and make an impact that is felt regionally and nationally. Your support has empowered the UIndy faculty and staff to work with each student to ensure they reach their goals and fulfill their dreams. You are the reason our students excel. Thousands of students are able to benefit from our UIndy family and our UIndy education. Thank you for all of your generosity over this last year. It has made a world of difference to our students, to our faculty, to our staff, and the communities in which we live. I'm very grateful for your support, and I look forward to welcoming you on campus in the near future. Thank you.
Because of you, I'm going to be a lawyer. Because of you, I'm able to keep pursuing my career as a teacher.
Because of you, I will be a neonatal intensive care unit nurse.
Because of you, we're best friends.